Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook password if you can't remember it. To change your Facebook password when you don't remember it, you must use the forgotten password method. Or if you are logged in, go ahead and tap on your Facebook. Go ahead and tap on your Facebook. Then you will find these three horizontal lines located at the top left. From there, head to the setting option right below settings and privacy. Then head to accounts and center and password and security option. Then go ahead and tap on this change password option. Then select your specific account and go ahead and tap on this forgot your password option. Now, once you've tapped on it, you will be able to choose an option between email, SMS, or WhatsApp, from which you will receive 6-digit verification code, from which you will be able to change your password. Now, if you are logged out and you are trying to log it in, what you can do is go ahead and open your Facebook web or Facebook application, then type in your specific profile or your username and tap on forgot password option, and it is also quite similar to having your account logged in. You will be able to choose between your email address, your full name, and your mobile number. Then find your account, and once your account is identified, select how you want to receive your reset code, and once you've gotten that reset code, type it and change your password. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.